How to change username in Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your device and then open Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on User Accounts. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Change Account Type, which is below User Accounts. Then select the ID you want to change name in. Click on Change the Account Name. Then in here, type in the new name you want to change it to and press on Change Name at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. Your username will be changed. And this is how to change username in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.